How to use voucher code and get discounts on the Daraz app. So first open the app if you haven't already and make sure that your app is updated to its latest version or else it might not work. So first open the app and you'll see your home screen something like this. Here choose any product that you would like to buy and tap on the buy now option which is located on the bottom of your screen. After tapping on it, choose the quantity that you would like to purchase the product and again tap on buy now which is located on the bottom. After tapping on it, you'll be redirected to a screen or a page something like this. Here you'll see an option called voucher and code right below discount. Simply tap on it and here you can fill in your voucher coupon code or the Daraz code that you have purchased, but make sure that you've purchased the right code and it's not any scam. Then after, tap on the confirm button on the bottom and this is it. This is how you can enter the voucher code. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.